Team Enigma, and we built this Polka notification service. I am Rajanjan, and my team comprises of Samir, Yash, and Prem. So let's head on. And so we built Polka notification service that basically enables listening to blockchain events and getting it on messaging channels like Discord, Telegram, or emails. So what you have to do is just subscribe to all the existing channels or any of these existing channels that you are interested in. Add necessary webhooks where you want to receive notifications. So webhooks could be on Discord, Telegram, email, or wherever you want. And you can even create your own channel and add contact to it and ask the community to subscribe and get notified on whatever events you want to expose on your contract. So we built Polka Notify considering the Polkadot ecosystem in mind, and we got our first iteration live on LF0 testnet. So basically, all the Ink smart contract developers can use this service by just calling a simple function on our Polka main contract. So let's get on this architecture. So users can create multiple channels, and channels are basically the group of smart contracts on which we are aggregating the notifications on. So these smart contracts call the Enigma main contract function, and which emits a event for each kind of notification. So a new notification event is specifically for a particular channel. We pass it to a queue service, which basically calls the subscriber of the particular channel on which the notification was emitted on. And we also save it in a DB so that users can retrieve it later if they missed it. So what problems are we solving? And these are basically, there are no notification service on the Polkadot ecosystem, and developers need to set up their own event listeners, API servers, rate limiting, and other infras. And developers have to recreate everything if they want a new channel of contracts. So how are we solving? We basically enabling users to create contract in a single click, channel in a single click, and we have the infra to listen your channel events. And with the Polka Notify's intuitive UI, users can subscribe to channels and get notified. And this is also running in a single click, and you can get notifications on Discord, Telegram, email, or wherever you want. So our future milestone is to support EVM substrates. Right now we only have Ink support, and get live on mainnet soon, and enable decentralization because we believe in preventing any kind of downtime or censorship. And next, move on to ecosystem development so that we can get some constructive feedbacks from the community as well. And the tech stack we use is Node.js for backend services, React.js for frontend, MongoDB for database, and gRPC and Docker for internal API communications. This is a demo for our notification service. So as we said, we have a main notification contract, which basically manages all the channels. So let's first create a channel here, for example, Polka Notify, and can just call this contract, and this will basically create a channel. And this is a demo contract that we can use to call and notify the users, which I'll show you later in this channel. And this is our main website. So you have to connect it by signing your own address and sending it to the server. So let's get, and this is all the channels that are currently managed by the contract. So let's subscribe to this channel. Here you can see we have subscribed to Polka Notify. Now we can add webhooks to this channel and receive notifications on Discord. So we have created a sample Discord bot for it, which basically receives all the kind of notifications here. But before that, you have to add your contact to the channel. So we are basically right now adding the contact address. So the channel ID could be 10, as you can see. Now we are adding the contract, demo contract here. This adds the contract here. Now the contract will filter out the events from this demo contract for the channel 10. Now let's set the channel ID here to 10. This is basically optional step which contract owners can use on their own contract. So we set the channel ID to 10. Now we can send the events to this channel. Now we will make a sample smart contract call. But before that, we have to add a webhook so that we can receive a notification on Discord. So let's add the webhook here. So this added the webhook, and also let's add this webhook as well. So we can test that we actually received a notification there. So these are the webhook here. And now let's make a function call. So now you can see like we have got this hey there on Discord and as well as here, which is a request cacher basically. So this basically tests all the endpoints here, and we can also test the notifications that we might have missed from the webhooks by just calling this endpoint here. So here you can see the notification that you have missed. Now, when you call this again, you will get no notification because you have got to the point. Thank you.